Every year, there are about 9 million.
Now I'm taking hot water from the kettle, around 170 degrees. It's coming. I'm going to fill these up one by one, and then I'm going to pour them slowly into the mash tun, which is going to rinse the grain. And this is what is going to give me my total volume of sweet wort that I am eventually going to boil in that kettle. So I'm going to bring that up to about 6 US gallons, and then I'm going to boil it, and I'll bring it down to 5 gallons. I'm going to try very slowly to pour the water over the plastic plate. And the plastic plate is there so that I don't get a direct stream going right into the grain, because that's not what I want. Because lower down the grain bed has set nicely. I don't want to disturb it. Now, even though the water looks, you know, it looks very clear, as we get down into the grain bed, you can see here that it's still coming out a lot darker. Now I could put this a lot faster, but I don't want to disturb that grain bed, so I'm just very slowly letting it flow out until I achieve my 6 gallons. Alright, it's officially 12:10, 10 minutes after noon right now. We're almost at the end of the process of sparging and lautering.
Premium malted barley, hops, yeast, and spring water. Now, doesn't that sound fresh? Go and fish, it's a better way. Why not try Primo Springs today?
It's 17 minutes after noon, and we've collected our wort. And you can see here that the, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a light brown color. So I mean, there's still wort coming out of there. So, but I've collected enough now, and now I need to get that from there. I'm going to transfer it to the kettle and get that boiling. All right, it's 12:25 in the afternoon, and now I'm going to take that wort and I'm going to pour it into here. And what do we have down here? We have 2 elements on the left and the right, and then that thing coming out in the middle is called a bazooka tube. And what that's going to do is it's going to filter out all the hops that I put in. So when I am finally chilling this and it's going into my carboy where it's going to be fermented, I don't want all of the hop material and cold break and all of the leftover stuff that's going to be in there. I don't want any of that going into my carboy. So that long tube will stop all of that from happening, and that's a very fine screen. I'm not sure if I can pick that up, but anyway, that's going to stop everything from going into my final product just before it gets fermented. Anyway, now it's time to add in all of that wort.